Hello guys, welcome to our sister vlog part 2. Today we are unboxing the super cute makeup set. I can't tell you how cute it is. There's one side, they're both mermaids. I am the pink side and my sister is the blue side. Now we're going to open it. As you can see, the cover is the same thing as the back cover. And over here, we have some nail essentials for making your nails look very beautiful. We have this, and we have a filer. Then we have these 3 cute lip glosses. They're quite hard to open, as you can see in the video. But they have a very cute color. And they're very pigmented, and they're quite big for fitting inside a tiny little heart. And we have 3 other colors, one darker and one other. And then we have 2 nail polish, one pink, one blue. They're super nice. And they're also hard to take out. That's the only disadvantage of this kit. You can just wait for a little bit while we try to open this. We have 2 colors. Okay, moving on to the next thing. We have the super cute brush with gems on it. And I'm going to test these 2 beautiful cheek colors that you're supposed to put on your cheek. They're really nice. One for light skin, one's for dark. And these glitters, and these glitter, and there's a bunch of other cute colors that you can choose from, depending on which color you like. They're very nice colors, as you can see, and glittery. And over here, we have one necklace that are themed of mermaids. They have mermaids on them. And we have cute ponies that you can use. As you can see, they're butterfly themed. And this cute necklace that's also mermaid themed. And they're so cute. I especially like the beads on them. You can see that they're mermaid themed. And they have really nice beads that glow when you put them in the light. And this necklace that I'm wearing. And a cute mermaid on it. And we have these cute stickers that you can put on your nails. And I can't tell you how cute are these.